Ryan here, Silly Reviews, got a blender. This is a Black+Decker Liquidoros. Let's turn it over to the American side. It's a quiet blender. PowerCrush, personal blender with quiet technology. Blend without interrupting light. 700 watts of ice crushing power, 18-ounce Triton jar with travel lid. This is all about giving you power and being quiet. Here it is, up close and personal. Pretty attractive design. This is a personal blender, okay? They keep things very minimal, and it is a stylish blender, and you will find out that it is rather quiet. Let's have a look there on the inside. Now with this blender, they keep it simple. This is all you're gonna get. You're gonna get this BPA-free jar, 18 ounces right there with some type of Triton sports lid. And this is the blender part of it. You fill it up, and you put the blender part on, and you put it on the machine, and hopefully it's reasonably quiet if that's what you bought it for. I bought it because, well, the price looked right, and it was affordable, you know. That's basically it. So I've got some ingredients here. You can see the ingredients. Healthy stuff, ice, water. Let's go ahead and make a frozen beverage. Let's grab our ingredients. There they are. I'm gonna show you a little recipe. I call this a Hobo Margarita. Minimal ingredients, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to get your bottom shelf vodka. Simply pour that into your quiet Black+Decker blender there. And by the way, the model number on this daddy is going to be a PB200G. At my Walmart, it's the only one like this. It sticks out, you can tell. So add your ice to your vodka. Then you're going to want to squirt in some lime juice and some lemon juice. That's it. That's a Hobo Margarita. Pop on the top, boop bop. Let's put it on the blender and take a listen and check out the performance. I'm going to start with a pulse. Here comes the pulse. Put that in frame for you guys. Pulse it. Nice power. Really doing the job. Reasonably quiet. Hit it with the low speed. Hit it with the high speed. All the speeds. They're working really well. I like this thing a lot. But truth be told, I did have to return one of these and exchange it for another one because it stopped blending, but I think that was my fault because a couple times I let a lot of liquid seep out and probably get into the motor and ruin it. So I'm going to say that's my bad. So let's go ahead. I'll show you the smooth, fluffy ice consistency. Very nice. I'm going to give this thing 2 thumbs up. Go to Walmart. Pick one up, or use the link in the description and get one online. Ryan for Silly Reviews. Thank you for watching. And if it's not too much trouble, please like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Silly Reviews.